Hello friends, you are most welcome in my YouTube channel Wideloop Robotech and Automation. Today we are going to upload Arduino bootloader in Edmega 328P SMD package controller. Let us get started. You can see this is schematic diagram. We need one Arduino Nano and one controller in SMD package in which you want to upload bootloader. So you can see this is connection. 5 volt goes to 5 volt and ground connected to ground, and 10 number of Arduino Nano. This is CS pin is connected to 29 number of controller, its reset pin, and 11 number of Arduino Nano, its Mozi. It is connected to 15 number of controller, it's already Mozi, and 12 number of Arduino Nano connected to Mizo, it's 16 number of controller, and SCK is D13 number is connected to 17 number of controller, it is already SCK of controller. So I hope you understood this connection. Now I will show you a demonstration. This is board. Here I am using Atmega 328P SMD package. So I want to upload Arduino bootloader in this controller. So first of all we have to connect wire to this Arduino Nano. So first of all I will connect this reset pin. This is reset pin. You can see I will connect this reset pin to 10 number of Arduino Nano, and this is ground pin, so I will connect to ground. Okay, and this is 5 volt pin, so I will connect to 5 volt. You can see LED is glowing. This is SCK pin, so SCK pin is connected to SCK of Arduino Nano, it's 13 number, and this is Mozi and Mizo, so I will connect to this into Arduino Nano 11 and 12. Okay, now connection is ready. Now we will download and install Arduino IDE. So first of all we have to go browser, and here I will search Arduino 1.01 and click over here old software releases. I will download 1.0.1 version for Windows. So click over here, save, open folder. I will cut this. This is my folder, I will paste here. Now I will extract this. This is ferdue.conf and board file. I'll provide you link, you can download from description box. Okay, now I will copy ferdue.conf file, not cut. I will copy and I will open this file. Goes to hardware and tools and FER, and I will paste here. Okay, again go to back I will copy this board file. Again go to this file, hardware Arduino, and okay, here I will paste replace. Okay, I will close this. I will open again and open this file, Arduino application. Okay, go to tools, click over board, and I will select here Arduino Nano 328P. Okay, it's correct. And go to port is 13, so I think port is correct. And go to programmer. Okay, so I will go to file and examples and Arduino ISP. I will click over here. I will upload this file to Arduino Nano. Okay, Arduino ISP has been uploaded. So now I will close and again click over tools. Now we have to care about programmer must be Arduino as ISP. And now I will click over burn bootloader. You can see here. Wow, burning bootloader has been done successfully. You can see bootloader has been successfully uploaded in this microcontroller. So now I will just upload in this microcontroller a small code like LED blinking code. I will use this programmer. This is FTDI programmer. So I will remove this and I will connect here. Okay, and I will connect this programmer pin to FTDI pin. So I will show you a schematic diagram first. You can see here ground pin is connected to ground and plus 5-volt pin is connected to 5-volt, and here you can see DTR pin is connected to reset and RX pin is connected to TX and TX pin is connected to RX. I hope you understood this. Okay, I will remove this 30 number pin and ground. I will connect this ground pin to LED and 30 number pin connected to this LED. Okay, now I will upload LED blinking code. So go to tools and change here board. Now board is Arduino Mini Pro and comport has been changed. Now I will tell you how to check comport. So right click over start button and go to device manager. You can see here USB serial port is comport 6. Okay, so go to tools and select here serial port 6 and go to files and examples, basics and blink code. and upload this. Wow, you can see LED is blinking. Okay friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really like my work, so you can support me on PayPal. My PayPal account has given in description box. And don't forget to press like button, subscribe button and share button. Thanks for watching.